Looking for returns you can actually rely on? That's exactly where bonds make sense. And with Altifi, investing in bonds is completely digital and simple. Start by signing up on Altifi using your mobile number or email ID. Next, complete your KYC. You need your PAN card and active Demat account. This is mandatory before investing. Once your KYC is done, explore available bonds. Compare returns, tenure, and credit ratings clearly, all in one place. Choose the bond that fits your goals, enter the amount, and invest in just a few clicks. Track your investments easily
and enjoy fixed return with bonds.
Visit altifi.ai and start investing in bonds today.
Fixed returns do not constitute guaranteed or assured returns. Investments in corporate debt securities, municipal debt securities, and securitized debt instruments are subject to credit risks, market risks, and default risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Please read all the offer-related documents carefully before investing to understand the risks and rewards. For more details, please visit www.altifi.ai.